Right, hello everybody. One intro. Let's put that away. So I'm about to show you, well, basically my first, not proper but decent HTML program or project, whatever you want to call it. As you can see, it's not my first. I have some interactive boxes, mystery boxes, but these two are what I'm focusing on today. Specifically version 1.4. It's the most recent that I updated. So I'm going to go into that. This is the source code, by the way. Yes, it's all mine. I can promise you that. HTML file, CSS, quite a lot. And the scripts, quite repetitive. But hey, it works. Let's save that. And here's the product. But welcome, Martin. Obviously, this is what I added as a introduction or welcome message. The updates that were made, quite a big list of them. Fixed the main bugs, and I will explain that later. Simpler interface. I'm not going to explain every single one now. So yeah, it is 1.4. Quite a few times. That's how it looks at the start of it. Anyway, the first thing, oh my god, I can't speak, man. The first thing you'll notice when you hover over it, a box shadow will generate, which is just an animation. So what should I do next? Right, here's how I made it. This is not your typical calculator layout, as you can see. So let me explain this. Depending on which operator you decide to click, it's going to, well, create fields for that operator, for that arithmetic operator, and you will get the answer that you're looking for. For example, add will generate two add inputs for you. Let's do an example. 200 plus 150. 350. Really? Take away 50 minus 50. 30. 20 multiplied by 1,000. Yep. And the last one, division. 120 divided by 6. 20. And as you can see, there's an option to delete your results, because the more you get, the taller the wrapper will become. You need it 10,000 pixels long. So delete the result. And then we got notes that I added later on in, I think, version 1.3. Yep. looks like this. Also has a nice transition as soon as you hover over the pad. The border increases, but I think in about 2 seconds. And yeah, whatever you click, whatever you hover on inside the panel, so you can see both of them start to change depending on which. That's nice. Let's move on to this. So whatever, it's quite straightforward. It's a notepad. Whatever you type here, this is sample text. You can post. Obviously, it's going to print here. And this can be as long as you want it to be. So here's another thing that I've added. Say you press post, but there is no input in your input. If you press post, it's still going to print something out for you. And it says Martin because if you remember in the beginning, there was a prompt that asks for your name. Yep, I made that happen. Right, and you can also, you can also delete the notes. This is just a info alert box. And yeah, you see this is the issue that I'm facing. When you return to your calculator and then go back to the notepad, these notes do not save. They don't save, but it saves the other way around. See, if I go to notes and back to the calculator, just that, it saves. That didn't disappear. I will look into a way to fix that. But yeah, I'm open to any feedback or advice. And I will admit that the code might be repetitive. Hey, I'm not a beginner, but hey, see you later.